Hi everyone, I came to discuss the email that Dalton sent earlier about a mistake I have made, and that refers to question 5 in our Independent Activity Lab 6. So here I ask you on question 5 to use the traditional criteria in statistics that scores are considered exceptional when the probability of getting that score or greater is less than 0.05. And I asked you to use the function pnorm to compute the probability of getting a score at least as high as Leticia's score and the probability of getting a score at least as high as John's score. So when you type the code here and you get your results, you see that the results do not match up with this interpretation. And what I want you to do is to ignore this interpretation because this was not supposed to be there. And the reason I came up with this is because I used the wrong mean and standard deviation. I used the data referring to the verbal GRE score, and I asked you to use the data from the quantitative GRE score. So what Dalton meant is to literally ignore this interpretation and then simply answer the last question with the correct interpretation, ignoring this one altogether. All right? Or, you know, if you want to, you can replace this one with an appropriate interpretation. But the idea is do not consider this, pretend you didn't see that, and then move on with your assignment, considering the actual result that you got, which is based on the use of the quantitative GRE score. All right? That's it. Just making double sure this is clear for you guys. All right? Bye-bye. Have a good night.